Okay, I got busy with the wiring. I'm going to have 3 batteries. The 3 batteries are fused. One will live in the leg, one will live in the other leg, in the battery box, And then there will be a battery in the inside that will run the ankle at 12 volts. So 12 volts ankle, 12 volts ankle, 24 volt wheel, 24 volt or 20 volt wheel. The actuators need to be regulated down to 12 volts. So I have these little inline 12 volt regulators. And then inside here, there's the H-bridge. So there's a dual H-bridge. The control wires aren't hooked up yet. So the dual H-bridge controls center foot, ankle, and then tilt. I haven't figured out tilt yet. I'm still questioning my decisions on that. I broke it out. So these 2 voltage regulators fused, and then before those little H-bridge things, there's a fuse there as well, just so I can isolate problems too. It's really nice to just be able to pull a fuse, unplug a whole section of stuff. Again, battery, fuse. This has a 3rd other voltage regulator. So these are great. You just hook a battery up to this and you get a USB out. And it's like, if all else fails, you can plug your phone into R2 and charge it with your batteries. This will go to a post. The post will have a ground. The ground will be chassis, of course, in the middle. I can't keep the same ground. I can't trust that the ground will carry through the shoulders. So I'm creating ground for this battery will be, let's call it computer battery. But the linear actuators will come off of that as well. So this foot will be a ground here. There is a ground that connects through the cat cable coming out that is called, we'll call it computer ground. So I got a couple different ground schemes that will, hopefully all align. I thought about using ground over there on the wheels, but again, like I say, you can't trust that it goes ground connects through this pin, carries through the shoulder, over the shoulder to brushes. Like you cannot guarantee that that's 0 volts. Oh man, way too much thinking.